Local news for Wednesday, May 6. Featherston is the home to the oldest surviving observatory in New Zealand, Kakik Observatory. Heritage New Zealand is seeking comments and submissions from the public about listing Kakik Observatory as a place of heritage. Heritage sites are a lens in which we can see into a different time, and the observatory is just one of many significant archaeological sites in South Wairarapa. A vehicle signalled to stop by police in Masterton yesterday afternoon failed to do so and fled at excessive speed. The pursuit was abandoned immediately, but the vehicle located later on Te Oriori Road. While the offending vehicle attempted to ram a patrol vehicle, a short time later the 44-year-old man was arrested and charged with failing to stop, driving in a dangerous manner and aggravated assault, and is due to appear in the Masterton District Court today. And the Carterton District Council has secured new contractors to continue work on the town clock, with work set to commence with remediation under Alert Level 3. And once all the work, including the reinstalling of the clock mechanisms, has been completed, the task of painting will begin. And Masterton Swing Bridge across the Waipo River is likely to be reopened to all users by summer after the Masterton District Council approved replacing decking on the bridge to make it once again accessible to mobility scooters as well as pedestrians and cyclists. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.